Guys, this is Avenger superhero. Guys, this superhero name is Hulk. Wow, what a lovely superhero, guys. This is Hulk. Guys, guess the name of this superhero, guys. This is Superman. Wow, what a cute superhero, guys. This is Superman. Guys, guess the name of this black color. Very amazing superhero. Guys, this superhero name is Ant-Man. This is Ant-Man. Wow. Guys, guess the name of this superhero. Guys, this is Iron Man. Wow. This is Iron Man, guys. Guys, this is very amazing and very nice superhero. This is Thanos. Wow. Guys, this is very powerful action figure and fighting hero. This is Goldberg. Wow. Guys, guess the name of this superhero. Guys, this superhero name is Superman. Wow, what an excellent look of this superhero. This is Superman. Guys, this is Ninja Warrior. Wow, what a delightful superhero, guys. Guys, this is the better superhero in the world. Guys, this is Hulk. Wow, what a fancy face look of this superhero, guys. This is Hulk. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this black color superhero? Guys, this is Black Spider-Man. Wow. Amazing, guys. Guys, this is Captain America. Wow. Guys, this is Iron Man. Wow. What an amazing superhero, guys.